this is Tanya. Welcome to Tanya Tina's Maths. I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths, and this is my sister Tina Lopez. I teach 8th Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 6 Triangles, Exercise 6.3, 9th question. Alright, now let's read the question. In figure 6.39, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So totally there are two subdivisions. First, now we are going to be solving the first subdivision, and later on we are going to be solving the second subdivision. Okay, so first of all there are two triangles. Okay, so there are two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So they are two right angle triangle, that means they are having 90 degree. Okay, so here in that angle M is equal to 90 degree, angle B is also 90 degree. Okay, so it's going to be really helpful for us, am I right? So we are going to be using that sometimes. So now we are supposed to show that it is similar. So first, when we want to show it is similar, we just take in triangle. So same step guys, we are going to be following the same step. Okay, so in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Okay, so in these two triangles, since you guys know that angle B and angle M, they both are 90 degree, am I right? So it is really easy to do. So now I can write that angle ABC is equal to angle AMP. So here the middle value is B and here it is M. So I can write the reason as 90 degree, am I right? So I'll write the reason both 90 degree. Okay. Okay. Now do we have any other information? No, right? But we have one more information. So if we get one more information of a particular angle, then we can use AA criterion, am I right? So we are supposed to find one information. So when you just look at the triangle ABC and triangle AMP, do you guys think that angle A is equal to angle A? Of course. Why? Because you can say why, because it is common. Okay, so it is common in both the triangles. So we are supposed to see, so angle A is equal to angle A, am I right? So it is coming, it is equal. So we can write angle A is equal to angle A because they both are common. Okay, they both are common in both the triangles. So I can write common. Okay. Okay guys, so since they are common, I have two angles, am I right? So I can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So it is M. Okay, so AMP. By which criterion? By AA criterion. By AA criterion. Okay, so here since you guys can see angle A is equal to angle A, that's why I just wrote in the order ways. Okay, so angle A is equal to angle A and angle B is equal to angle M. Why? Because 90 degree. So likewise by looking at these things only, I am supposed to write the triangle. Okay, so you guys might be wondering, most of the guys know what they used to do is they used to write the same thing which is in similar. So here we are supposed to prove that ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So it is somewhat same, right? ABC, here also AMP, here also AMP. So just because we have like this, in most of the questions we used to have something like this only, but sometimes we might not have that. Okay, so we are supposed to be careful. Okay, don't just write randomly like that. You are supposed to see whether angle A is equal to angle A, so whether it is perfect or not, and angle B is equal to angle M. If it is perfect, you can write it. If it is not perfect, then you are supposed to write the correct one. Okay, so correct, you are supposed to use the correct triangles, then only we can use the criterion. Okay, so don't just get distracted, or don't just get attracted by these things. Okay, like ABC, then here also ABC. Here A and B means here also A and B. In few questions it might be like that, but in some questions no, you might find different. Okay, so be careful. Alright guys, so what is the second subdivision? So second subdivision is, so I'll write it here itself. Okay, so we are supposed to, so the second subdivision is CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. We are supposed to show. Okay, so now I'm going to be solving it right over here. Okay, so okay, I'll write it here. It will be much more better. Okay, so I can write CA, I'm writing it as it is. Okay, by PA is equal to BC by MB. So where is CA? So CA is here and PA it is here. So CA is here, PA is here, BC, so BC is here, and MP, where is MP? Yeah, MP is here. Okay, so where, how did we get CA by PA is equal to BC by MP? So why? Because it was mentioned in the second subdivision, so we wrote it as it is. Am I right? So one more thing I would like to show is, so here, so we just proved something is similar. So this triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. I just showed it is similar. Am I right? So here AC is there, right? So here I just took it like this. So AC. So instead of writing AC, if you write CA, nothing will happen. Okay. So CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So by the similarity only I got this one. Am I right? So when I just checked it out, by the similarity only I am getting these values. Then what I can just write is corresponding parts of similar triangle. I can write it like this. Am I right? One second. Am I right? So I can just write it like this. So once again, if it is not visible, yeah. So I can just write it like this. Am I right? Why? What is the meaning of corresponding parts of similar triangles? So these are the corresponding parts, CA by PA. So CA by PA, these are the corresponding parts, and then BC by MP. So BC by MP. So these are the corresponding parts. So how to find these corresponding parts? From the similarity. How, just now I told you guys, CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So like this only we are supposed to show the corresponding parts. Okay,
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.